In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be safe when buying and selling on Facebook Marketplace. Start by opening the Facebook app on your device. From the home screen, look toward the top right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. In that menu, select Marketplace. This is Facebook's built-in hub for local buying and selling, and it's where you'll find listings near your area. Once you're in Marketplace, you can look for items in two simple ways. Use the search bar at the top right to type what you're after, or just scroll through the feed to browse what's popular nearby. Be as specific as you can with your keywords and take your time. If a price looks dramatically lower than normal or a listing seems rushed or incomplete, slow down and scrutinize it closely. When something catches your eye, tap on the item to open the full listing. Read the description carefully and examine all the photos. Look for clear images taken from multiple angles and a description that mentions condition, dimensions, and any flaws. Vague descriptions, stock photos, or a price that's too good to be true are common red flags, so treat those with caution. Next, scroll down within the listing until you see the seller's information and tap on their profile. Then tap View Profile to evaluate whether the account appears trustworthy. You're looking for signs of a real established presence, like a profile that isn't brand new, activity that looks normal, and a marketplace history that includes previous listings or reviews. If you notice inconsistencies, identical images across different items, or a profile that offers little to no detail, think carefully before proceeding. Go back to the item page and look for meeting preferences. This section helps set expectations about where and how to meet. Clear, reasonable preferences are a good sign. Favor daytime meetups in visible public locations. If the preferences feel pushy, overly secretive, or insist on unusual arrangements, consider it a warning sign. Also tap on location to check the area associated with the listing. Make sure it lines up with where the seller claims to be and that the distance is realistic for you. If the location seems inconsistent or far outside your region without explanation, that's another cue to be cautious. A few final safety tips as you follow these steps. Keep conversations inside the app. Avoid sharing sensitive personal information. Don't send money before you've verified the item in person, and trust your instincts. These same guidelines help if you're selling too. Transparency and clear communication go a long way. Follow this flow each time you use Marketplace, and you'll shop smarter and safer. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.